Hey guys, welcome back to Hang with T. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. These you see here are all the ingredients that I am going to prepare for my African Shea Butter / Aloe Vera hair conditioning treatment, as well as daily moisturizer. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Bye. Hi guys, it's T here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining the family. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are an oldie but goodie, of course, thanks for coming back. Now, by the title of this video, I am making my Shea Butter Aloe Vera concoction, and I can use this as a moisturizer, like a daily moisturizer, or I can use it as a deep conditioner as well. And I have used it for both for the last month and a half, and I have seen a drastic change in my hair, and the texture of my hair, and the growth of my hair, the health of my hair. My hair is a lot more moisturized for a longer period versus when I use the other oils or the other shea butters that I've used in the past. And I don't know, but I don't know if it has to do with the aloe being added this time compared to my aloe vera video that I did earlier in the year, and I'll link the link somewhere above here. You guys will see that. That has actually been my most famous video, and thank you guys so much for watching that video, and thumbs up and commenting, and thanks for all the comments on that video. So this is, my chest is so red right here. Why is that? What is going on? I think it's because I was scratching earlier. But anyways, this video is not about my skin, it's about my hair. But anyway, so yeah, so my shea butter video that I did earlier in the year, it was just the shea butter and some oils. This time around I have added actually 3 additional ingredients, which is the aloe vera, and also the, what is that other powder? I can't think of the powder right now, but you guys will see it in the video. So if you are interested in seeing how I made my concoction, and this is my cream based moisturizer, daily moisturizer, as well as deep conditioner, then stick around and watch how I make it. All right guys, take care. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off here using my olive oil, and that's extra virgin olive oil, which stimulates hair growth and prevents hair loss. And I'm adding a half cup of that oil. Then I'm going to use my coconut oil, which moisturizes hair and stimulates hair growth, and I'll also use about a half cup of that as well to this mixture. Then we have the extra dark castor oil, which promotes hair growth and thickens the hair. So I'm going to add maybe just a 1/4 cup of that to the mixture. And as you see here, I'm actually scooping out because it's so thick. I just want to make sure I get every little drop in, because this oil is expensive, guys. So I want to make sure I get every bit in. The next oil is the wild growth hair oil. This is optional. I just wanted to add it because I do love this oil very much, and I wanted to add it to the deep conditioner / moisturizer treatment that I'm making here. So I added a couple squirts of that oil into the mixture. And next I'm going to add the fenugreek powder, and fenugreek powder promotes blood flow, which encourages faster, healthier hair growth, also helps with treatment of dandruff. And here we have the Moringa powder, which stimulates hair growth and nourishes the hair as well. And here we have the MSM powder. This powder actually helps increase volume and thickness of your hair. So I'm going to add 3 scoops of that to the mixture. Okay, and now I'm going to start stirring that. Now the fenugreek powder and the moringa powder, I did use about 1/4 cup of that to the mixture, so I forgot to mention that earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. Now I'm going to add my slices of the aloe vera plant, and this repairs dead cells to the scalp, also acts as a conditioner to promote smooth and shiny hair. So definitely want to add that to the mixture and stir it up real good. And guys, make sure that the water is really hot. My water was not hot, so I had to put the stove back on. And here you have the African shea butter. It has a lot of fatty acids and vitamins to rejuvenate hair follicles. It reduces hair loss. So I wanted to go ahead and add a couple of scoops of that. So you see here I added about maybe I think 3 or 4 tablespoons of that. And I'm going to add that to a bowl of hot water. So as you see here, I'm going to just stir until the shea butter has melted completely. And here you see my little Zavy boo being silly. And it actually didn't take long to melt the shea butter. It was actually really easy. It took like probably less than 3 minutes to melt because the water was very hot. So as you see here, it's melted completely. So I'm just going to add a little bit extra of that extra dark castor oil to this mixture as I did to the oil earlier. So I'm going to add it to this mixture as well, and I'm just going to add a couple of drops of that. That probably was like maybe about a teaspoon. So I'm going to mix those together, and I put it in a refrigerator to let cool for a little bit. So here I'm adding my oil mixture with the aloe vera pieces to my stocking cap, and this is like a wig cap that I found in the house because I didn't have any cheesecloth, so I used my stocking. And I'm just going to strain that into this bowl. Now guys, make sure that the oil is cooled completely. My oil was still kind of hot, so it was really hard for me to squeeze it, and it was kind of like burning because it's oil. So just make sure that your oil is cooled before you do that. Now this is my shea butter mixture. I'm going to actually, it's been cooled now, so about 30 minutes I left it in the refrigerator, and then so that it gets a little hard, and then I'm adding that oil to the shea butter mixture, and I'm going to start just kind of like chopping up a little bit and then mix it up as you see here. That's the little final touches of the mixture that I just mixed. It was like a hand mixer, as you see here I'm doing, just until it gets kind of smooth out. And I'm going to put this back into the refrigerator to let it kind of harden a little bit. It doesn't have to be completely smooth because you remember we're going to use a hand mixer to mix it. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Just put it back in the fridge and let it cool for a little bit. Now here I'm actually had a little bit of extra oil, so I'm going to transfer it into my funnel, and I'm pouring it into the funnel so that it can go into this applicator bottle. And I'm actually going to use this in another video, and this is just as an oil daily moisturizer that I use. So since I had so much left over, I just put it in my applicator bottle and for later use. So here you see the mixture is hardened, so I'm going to transfer it into this mixing bowl. And now the fun part, guys, mixing that all up so they can get nice and smooth. And that's why I said earlier, when you were adding the oil to this, you just wanted to, it doesn't have to be perfect, because again, we're going to do this part of the shea butter, which is just to mix it out so it can be smooth, so I can smooth it out. All right, and I'm going to add a little bit of oil, and you see here, this is my orange essential oil, and I'm just going to add this, guys, because I do not like the smell of shea butter. The African shea butter, it smells really bad, and I don't like to put anything on my hair that smells bad, because it's just too much of, if it's too strong of a smell, especially if it smells really bad. I don't know about you guys, but I like to add a little essential oils to that so it can kind of mask that harsh, strong smell of the African shea butter. Some people may like the smell, I don't personally, so that's why I add my essential oils. Now I'm just going to scoop all of that out. Now that it has been smoothed out, I'm going to scoop it and put it in my little container as you see here. And if you guys are like me who don't like the smell of African shea butter, You can add whatever oil you like. I didn't have any lavender oil, which is what I usually would use. So I just used my orange essential oil and it smelled really, really good. And there you go, voila. So here's my shea butter moisture. Because there's so many oils added to this mixture, you don't really have to use a lot. A little goes a long way. As you see here when I apply it to my hand, how really oily it is. So you really don't have to. That bottle will probably last me for 2 months. So I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Okay guys. Thank you. So that was how I made my African shea butter / aloe vera deep conditioner, as well as a cream base daily moisturizer. So what I'm gonna do, I have my hair in mini twist, as you can see here. I've had this in for about a little over a week now. I wanna keep it in for an additional week to make it 2 weeks before I take it out and shampoo my hair. So I was actually low of my shea butter, so I decided to go ahead and make this concoction here. Smells good, right? So yeah. Don't want to eat it, need it for my hair. So anyway, so yeah, so this is my concoction, and the green that you guys see here, of course, is the Moringa powder. So that's what gives it that color green, obviously, if you watch the video how I made it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spritz my hair with my mist sprayer, just to dampen my hair a little bit before I put in the shea butter. So like I said, I have my hair in mini twists. This will be the last week that I keep it in until I remove it, take it out. So I'm just gonna moisturize my hair to the front as well. I'm just gonna add a little bit of my concoction. Ooh. See, turns into like a oil base. And I'm just gonna add it to my hair, get my scalp. Gotta get the root to the ends. And just gonna work it in. And it just melts into your hair. Let's put a little bit more. This time get the roots a little bit more, because my hair gets really dry if I don't moisturize the roots. But who really does not moisturize their roots, right? So this is it. So this is my hair. My hair is growing so fast, guys. I mean, look at this. Look at my plaits. Earlier in the year, my plaits weren't even as long as this is right now. So I am excited about this change. Now, just in case you guys are wondering, how do you store this after each use? You can just keep it out. As long as it's in a room temperature environment, it's fine. If it's an environment that is not cool, or it's not as cool, you definitely want to maybe just keep it in a refrigerator and take it out maybe an hour before you use it, because sometimes if you put it in the refrigerator, it can get really hard and kind of hard to, but it's a lot of oils in here, so even if you keep it in the refrigerator and you scoop it out, by the time you rub it in your hand, which brings on that heat, it completely melts. So I keep mine out, but some people I've heard that have actually put it in the refrigerator, stored it in the refrigerator. But my house is really cool, so I'm able to keep it out. And that's how I've been maintaining it. Now, of course, disclaimer, this may not work for everyone. I'm just showing you guys what has been working for me, and that's why I wanted to share this video with you. So if you want to try it, be my guest, go ahead and try it. If not, that's fine. You'll probably find something else that will work better for you. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please do not forget to hit subscribe, like, and comment. And I would really like the support from you guys. Not only are you watching my videos, I thank you so much, I should say, for watching my videos, but just help me support my channel by just clicking that subscribe button. It costs you absolutely nothing. It is free. All you gotta do is move your finger, click on that little button down below. That's right, that's it, that's the one. And that way you'll be able to get all, and don't forget to click the bell to get notifications of all my new videos coming up. So there you have it. I hope you again enjoy watching this video. Please do not forget to hit subscribe, people. Come on, let's do it. Let's make my channel get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We have 4.5, maybe 5 years. 5 months left of the year. So let's go ahead and do it. Support my channel, guys, and tell all your friends, natural friends, to come hang with T, and we'll continue this journey together. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Have a great day. Bye.